It is the first day of November. The sun is shining in Mexico. People are smiling and busy on the streets. It is a very special time of the year. It is the Day of the Dead. In Spanish, people call it Dia de los Muertos. It is not a sad day. It is a day to remember and celebrate loved ones who have died. Families believe their loved ones come back to visit them on this day. Emma, a tourist from Canada, is visiting Mexico City. She has never seen this celebration before. Her friend Sophia lives here and invites her to see everything. Sophia says, "Come with me. You will love this." They walk through the city. Everywhere there are bright colors, orange, yellow, and pink. People are putting flowers and candles on tables. Emma asks, "What are they doing?" Sophia smiles and says, "They are making an altar." An altar, or ofrenda, is a special table to honor family members who have passed away. People put pictures, food, and candles on it. They also add marigold flowers, orange and golden flowers that smell sweet. Sophia explains, "We believe the flowers help the spirits find their way home." Emma looks carefully. She sees photos of grandparents, mothers, fathers, and even pets. There are also plates of food and bottles of water. Some tables have bread shaped like a skull. Sophia says, "That is pan de muerto, the bread of the dead." Emma tries a small piece. It is soft and sweet, with sugar on top. She smiles and says, "It's delicious." Sophia laughs. "Yes, we all love it." In the afternoon, the streets become more crowded. Music starts to play. Guitars, drums, and trumpets. People wear colorful clothes and paint their faces like skulls. Children wear costumes. Some are skeletons, some are angels. Emma is surprised, but happy. She says, "Everyone looks so beautiful and creative." Sophia answers, "We are not afraid of death. We celebrate life and remember our loved ones with love." At night, Emma and Sophia go to the cemetery. Families are there, sitting beside graves. They bring flowers, food, and candles. Some people sing, others tell stories. The air smells like flowers, and soft music fills the space. Emma whispers, "It's so peaceful here." Sophia nods. "Yes, it's not sad. It's a time to say thank you and to feel close to our families again." Emma looks around. She sees small candles shining in the dark. The graves are covered with flowers, photos, and food. The light from hundreds of candles looks like stars on the ground. Sophia's family is sitting near a grave. They smile and wave at Emma. Sophia introduces her. "This is my grandmother's place." They give Emma a cup of hot chocolate and a piece of pan de muerto. Emma feels warm and welcome. Later, a small parade begins near the cemetery. People dance in the street. Some wear big feathered hats. Others carry candles. The music is loud but joyful. Emma takes pictures and claps her hands. She can't stop smiling. A little girl gives her a small paper skeleton. "It's for you," the girl says. Emma says, "Thank you. It's beautiful." The girl laughs and runs back to her family. Sophia says, "Now you have a memory from this night." Emma holds the paper skeleton carefully. She says, "I will never forget this day." As they walk back home, the moon shines in the sky. The city is quiet now. The candles still glow in the distance. Emma feels calm and thankful. She has learned something new, that love can live forever in memory. When she returns to her hotel, she writes in her notebook, "Today, I saw life and death together. Both are part of who we are. The Day of the Dead is not about sadness. It is about love that never ends. She closes her notebook and looks out the window. The sky is full of stars, shining like candles in the dark. Emma smiles and whispers, "Gracias, Mexico." It was a night she will always remember.